Do you smoke? Do you smoke? Are you ready? Are you ready? Where are you? Where are you? You look busy. You look busy. Are you tired? Are you tired? You look sick. You look sick. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Can I help you? Can I help you? You should go. You should go. May I help you? May I help you? Can you help me? Can you help me? Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Have you eaten? Have you eaten? May I join you? May I join you? Why do you ask? Why do you ask? Do you know us? Do you know us? Why do you lie? Why do you lie? May I boring you? May I boring you? Are you serious? Are you serious? Can you find it? Can you find it? Do you know him? Do you know him? Are you a doctor? Are you a doctor? Do you like snow? Do you like snow? Are you Indian? Are you Indian? Do what you like. Do what you like. Are you new here? Are you new here? What did you say? What did you say? Can you handle it? Can you handle it? What do you think? What do you think? Do you have a car? Do you have a car? What do you want? What do you want? Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet? Do you live here? Do you live here? Do you want money? Do you want money? Does she know you? Does she know you? What do you have? What do you have? Have you finished? Have you finished? When do you study? When do you study? Where do you live? Where do you live? Did you invite him? Did you invite him? May I speak to you? May I speak to you? You should know it. You should know it. Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? Can you answer this? Can you answer this? When will you leave? When will you leave? Why are you going? Why are you going? Will you go with us? Will you go with us? You must go at once. You must go at once. Are you able to swim? Are you able to swim? Are you free tonight? Are you free tonight? Why are you doing? Why are you doing? Do you think I am fat? Do you think I am fat? I think you are right. I think you are right. I know what you mean. I know what you mean. I'll call a taxi. I'll call a taxi. Do you have a minute? Do you have a minute? I looked a pretty girl. I looked a pretty girl. She liked me very much. She liked me very much. I agree with you. I agree with you. Do you need anything? Do you need anything? What did you mean? What did you mean? Do you still there? Do you still there? I think that. I think that. You should receive. You should receive. I would say that. I would say that. We are going well. We are going well. You know that. You know that. He could help me. He could help me. She just wanted you. She just wanted you. It is very important. It is very important. They were talking. They were talking. I hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoy. We should work. We should work. You guys know. You guys know. It also attached. It also attached. She says something. She says something. It with them. It with them. There anything else? There anything else? She talked about them. She talked about them. Her mother and father dead. Her mother and father dead. Application form and some documents. Application form and some documents. You are interested. You are interested. She is not available. She is not available. I agree with you. I agree with you. What did you buy? What did you buy? Where did you go? Where did you go? You should sleep. You should sleep. Are you all right? Are you all right? Do you like music? Do you like music? What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Would you teach me? Would you teach me? Are you okay? Are you okay? You may go. You may go. I trust you. I trust you. Are you mad? Are you mad? Who are you? Who are you? Are you sure? Are you sure? Can you come? Can you come? Are you lost? Are you lost?